its legs, plug in. How do you get the look that's totally you? Bratz. Today I'm going to be showing you some super sick holiday gifts from the Dolls Guild Bratz collab. This is the Living It Up reusable water bottle. A reusable water bottle is a very handy gift because it's important to stay hydrated. Why have a basic water bottle when you can have this? This is the Major FOMO crossbody bag. My mom wouldn't let me have a sidekick as a kid, so now I can live out my fantasy with this purse. Hold on, let me send a text. Yes, there is a live animal in this. This is the Sparkle Addict pet carrier, and this is Lumen. She's gotta get out of here. She's got another shoot to go to. The side of this bag has mesh on both sides, so that your pet can breathe comfortably and safely. Meshalicious. These are the Taste the Glam shot glasses. Cheers. Wait, there's nothing in here. Let me get a bev. Bottoms up.